another one. Wings are messed up. Something's not right. She can't fly. Confused. It's a good girl. I named her Chicken. So this is Chicken. She's kind of wobbly. I think she hit her head on a piece of glass or something, or a building or something, because whenever she sits still, she wobbles. She does this. I'm not sure, but she's definitely a baby. Super comfortable with me. She sleeps with me. It's the only first day I got her, and she sweetheart. It's okay. Calm down. She's a good girl. Just a little girl. And yeah, some homeless guy found her. And she was hit. I think he said by a car or something like that. I'm not sure. And she can't fly. She won't. She refuses. I don't know if she can fly. She just has not flown. Like, she just kind of sits there. She has not flown. Usually when I go on town to get her like food, I just got her a bunch of food over here. And a little basket. You know, it's made of twine or whatever. I figured she'd enjoy that. I don't know. It's only the second bird I've ever had that I rescued, but I'm doing the best I can. And she seems pretty comfortable with me. She looks like she's pissed off. You look at her on the camera, but she's actually a sweetheart. Pretty cool bird. So maybe if she grows up and she grows with me, that'd be cool. I get a fucking bird flying around, landing on my shoulder and shit. It's crazy. All these people go out to pet stores and buy birds and shit when they're all over the place. They're readily available. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, God, you're such a sweetie. Alright, guys. Hey. Do good. Help other people.